Good morning, this is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today we are going to fix some stew beef with some onions and a can of mushroom soup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this in the crock pot. So we're going to get the meat in the crock pot with the onions and the cream of mushroom and let it cook for 3 or 4 hours. And then I'm going to fix some rice and we're going to have this over the rice. So let's just get started. This is so simple, you don't have to do a lot. I'm just going to slice up this onion. I'm actually an onion person. I like onions. And when you put onions in the crock pot, they seem to sort of evaporate. And if you don't have one of these foodie slicers, I got this one from Kohl's. At least Tom got it. And it is such a handy dandy thing for slicing anything. Carrots, anything. So, I would suggest you get it. Any of you watch my videos a lot, you know that when I cook in the crock pot, I always set my crock pot on 2 pieces of tile. It really keeps the counter from getting hot, I can tell you that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the meat in the crock pot. I was hoping it would be thawed out good today, but I see that it's not, so we'll just put it in there and it will thaw. And it's just a can of low sodium cream of mushroom. And a can of water. I'm actually going to put 2 cans of water because I really like to have my meat cooked. There we go. And after this gets hot, I'll come in here and I'll stir it and just let it cook on today. And that is nothing but a pound of beef stew, 2 onions, and cream of mushroom soup, 2 cans of water. And I'm going to cut it on high for a while because I'm at home. And if I was not going to be home, I would cut it down on low, but I've got to cut it on high and let it cook. I'll be back. Okay, there's some rice, and I put the the stew on top of that. I'll put salt and pepper on it. And we're going to sit down and we're going to have some beef with onions over rice for dinner tonight. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Something very simple. Doesn't take long to fix it. It's easy to fix. So give me your comments and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Have a good day. This is beef stew with onions over rice. It really turned out good. It has a very good flavor. Join my channel. Come back to see me and offer your comments. Have a good afternoon.